The Great Migration of East Africa takes place every year between July and September across the vast plains of the Serengeti in Tanzania and the Masai Mara National Reserve in Kenya. This cyclical journey spans over 3,000 kilometers and features millions of wild beasts, zebras, and gazelles. Driven by the pursuit of rainfall and fresh pasture, they travel together in massive herds, creating one of the most spectacular natural events on Earth, often hailed as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. We were fortunate to witness this breathtaking and thrilling scene on September 2nd, 2025, on the Tanzania side of the Mara River. By around 9 a.m., dozens of safari vehicles had already lined up along the riverbank with eager tourists hoping to see the moment when the massive herds of wild beasts and zebras gathered on the opposite shore would begin their river crossing. From 9 in the morning to noon, the animals on the far side kept moving back and forth, seemingly hesitating, pondering whether to cross, when to cross, and at which point to cross the river. Just as the anticipation reached its peak, a young wild beast suddenly stepped into the river without hesitation and began running toward our side. The long-awaited river crossing was about to begin. Sure enough, following the lead of the young wildebeest, the others gathered by the riverside began leaping into the water one after another, charging resolutely toward the opposite bank. Once the first wave of wildebeests reached the shore, they paused briefly, then, after confirming their direction, dashed rapidly toward the distant grasslands. Before our eyes unfolded a thrilling and awe-inspiring scene, a mighty army in full charge, unstoppable and magnificent. During this great migration, millions of wild beasts and zebras must not only face hunger, thirst, and exhaustion, but also constant threats from their predators. In this drastic event known as river crossing, a significant number of wildebeests and zebras either drown or fall prey to crocodiles lurking in the water. Even those lucky enough to reach the other side must evade lions and other predators. It is said that over 100,000 migrant animals perish each year during this audacious journey. Yet, despite the danger and the ever-present shadow of death, these animals press on year after year, driven by instinct and the will to survive. Through this epic migration, they not only secure their own survival, but also continue to reproduce and sustain the cycle of life. The greatest reward of our trip to Africa was witnessing this symphony of life, composed by tens of thousands of migrant wild beasts and zebras. A powerful and moving tribute to the resilience and beauty of nature.